Today I will discuss steady flow energy equation. At first, what is steady flow? When mass and energy transfer with respect to time is constant. This is called steady flow. মানে সময়ের সঙ্গে মাস এবং এনার্জি ট্রান্সফার কনস্ট্যান্ট থাকবে, তখন ফ্লোটার নাম হচ্ছে steady flow. Okay, look at the board please. Assume it is a device. This is a device. This is section 1. It is input. And section 2, this is output. This is center line, and this is datum line, from which height is measured. So it is for input, this is Z1, and for output this height is Z2. Yeah, as total energy remains constant according to law of conservation of energy. Okay, so total energy at input, that is equal to total energy at output. So total energy at input, assume it is E1, and total energy at output, assume it is E2. Total energy means at first flow energy. What is called flow energy? The energy possessed by a body due to mass transfer across the system boundary. Okay, look here. ধরো এটা হচ্ছে একটা পাইপ এবং এর মধ্যে দিয়ে কোনো একটা ফ্লুইড পাস করছে. This is section 1, this is section 2, and section 1 থেকে section 2, this is length L. Here this is pressure P1 and this is pressure P2. এবং আমরা জানি এনার্জিকে ওয়ার্ক ডান দিয়ে মাপা হয়. So here flow energy means work done, and work done means force into displacement. Yeah, force means pressure that is equal to force per area. That means force means pressure into area, and here distance, displacement, that means this is L. So this is L. Now pressure and area into length, this is called volume. So flow energy, that is equal to pressure into volume. Okay, now here total energy at input means flow energy, this is PV. Yeah, but we know that again this is specific volume. What is called specific volume? It is the volume per unit mass. That means V by M. That is V equal to M into Vs. Yeah, কিন্তু আমরা এখানে মাসটাকে 1 কেজি ধরছি, সুতরাং V equal to Vs. Yeah, তো এখানে খেয়াল করো 1 নম্বর সেকশনে মানে ইনপুটে আমি এখানে P1 V1 না দিয়ে আমি কি দিচ্ছি VS1. কেন VS1 দিচ্ছি না, মাসটাকে আমি কত ধরেছি 1 কেজি. Yeah, plus this is flow energy. And now internal energy, this is U1 for 1 kg mass. The energy possessed by the body due to raising its temperature, this is called internal energy, and is stored in the body. Yeah, so this is U1. Now datum line থেকে ইনপুটের উচ্চতা কত Z1. So potential energy m g Z1, but m is 1 kg. So this is g Z1 plus, যদি এখানে ফ্লোটা V1 বেগে ঢোকে তো এখানে কাইনেটিক এনার্জি কত, হাফ mv স্কয়ার, বাট m ইকুয়াল টু 1. সো এখানে v1 স্কয়ার বাই 2 প্লাস ইনপুটে তুমি কি দিচ্ছ, হিট দিচ্ছ, এবং আউটপুট থেকে কি পাচ্ছ, ওয়ার্ক ডান পাচ্ছ। সো ইনপুটে also heat is added, yeah, and this is equal to total energy at output. So it is P2 VS2 plus U2 plus GZ2 plus V2 square by 2 plus এখানে কিন্তু তুমি ওয়ার্ক ডান পাচ্ছ। So this is work done, yeah, but we know that the definition of enthalpy, yeah, the summation of internal energy and the energy due to pressure and volume, this is called enthalpy. That means here P1 VS1 plus U1, this is called H1, yeah, this is enthalpy at input, plus GZ2 GZ1 plus V1 square by 2 plus Q, this is equal to also P2 VH2 plus U2, yeah, this is H2 plus GZ2 plus V2 square by 2 plus W. Okay, now Q minus W, that is equal to, yeah, H2 minus H1, yeah, plus GZ2 minus GZ1, yeah, plus V2 square by 2 minus V1 square by 2, yeah, this is actually steady flow energy equation, yeah. On the next class I will discuss this steady flow energy equation on the nozzle. Thank you.